The emergency alert system has been activated. Tune to Channel 3 for more information.
Coastal flood warning now in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This evening, high surf advisory now in effect until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Saturday, high rip current risk now in effect through late tonight. Waves and surf. Very large swells from Hurricane Irene will churn up high and rough surf at area beaches. Breaker heights will average 7 to 10 feet this evening, dropping to 5 to 7 feet overnight. Start timing, high surf and dangerous rip currents will continue through the overnight hours. In addition, minor to moderate coastal flooding is expected at the time of high tide this evening with tidal departures of 1 to 2 feet above normal impacts. The surf will remain very hazardous and will make for particularly dangerous conditions for any swimmer as well as surfers. Large breakers can knock you down and make you susceptible to rip currents. Stay out of the water until conditions improve. Significant beach erosion will be possible with this event. Minor to moderate coastal flooding is still expected at the time of high tide this evening between 6 and 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Tides will remain elevated into Saturday morning as well. Tidal departures of about 1 to 2 feet above normal Arkansas expected. Minor flooding in estuaries and along the coast area expected. Locations most susceptible to coastal flooding include Fernandina Beach and Little Talbot Island. Precautionary/preparedness actions. A high surf advisory means that high surf will affect beaches in the advisory area, producing rip currents and beach erosion. Large breakers can knock you down and make you susceptible to rip currents. Stay out of the water until conditions improve. There is a high risk of rip currents. Rip currents are powerful channels of water flowing quickly away from shore, which occur most often at low spots or breaks in the sandbar and in the vicinity of structures such as groins, jetties and piers. Heed the advice of lifeguards and the beach patrol. Pay attention to flags and posted signs. A coastal flood warning means that flooding is occurring or imminent. Coastal residents in the warned area should be alert for rising water and take appropriate action to protect life and property.
The emergency alert system has been activated. Tune to Channel 3 for more information.
The National Weather Service has issued an unrecognized warning for all East Coast states including South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, District of Columbia, Maryland, New Jersey, and New York. All NOAA weather radios are to be set to station ID number WXL70 in Charlotte, North Carolina. The following transmitters will be set to the station ID and be corrected to the server. The following stations are affected: WXJ21, KHC28, WNG627, WXK54, WXJ23, WHC29, KHA35, WXM88, KC85, KHB29, WXM93, WXJ20, KHA35, KHC27, WXJ22, WXK90, WXL58, WNG538, KJY85, WXL42, WZ2500, WXL56, KHB31, WWF60, WXI78, KWO35, KZEZ31, WXL39, KJY99, WKL92, KZEZ28, WXL34, WXN29, WWH34, KC83, WSM 60, KDO 95. Until the hurricane has passed, all TV station providers are to pass this message under FCC law. This includes the following cable providers: DirecTV, Comcast, Dish. If you use a converter box, use channels 3 and 4. If possible, check for local channels. This concludes this emergency message issued by the National Weather Service.
The emergency alert system has been activated. Tune to Channel 3 for more information.
The National Center for Hurricanes has issued an hurricane watch for all of the East Coast states and some inland states on the East Coast, including North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, District of Columbia, New Jersey, New York, and Maryland until August 28, 2011. People in the watch need to prepare for a hurricane warning in case one is issued for your area. Stay tuned for more information and later watches and warnings.
The emergency alert system has been activated. Tune to Channel 3 for more information.
Flash flood watch in effect from Sunday morning through Monday morning. The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a star flash flood watch for all of Vermont as well as the Champlain Valley and northern Adirondacks of New York from Sunday morning through Monday morning. A widespread significant rainfall event associated with Hurricane Irene will impact the North Country Sunday through Sunday night. The potential exists for total rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches across the northern Adirondacks, 3 to 5 inches in the Champlain Valley, and 5 to 7 inches across eastern Vermont. Rainfall amounts of this magnitude will cause widespread flash flooding across the region, with many streams and rivers coming out of their banks. Precautionary/preparedness actions. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.